everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Southwest Las Vegas and this area is booming because there's a lot of restaurants here, lots of shopping, you name it, they have it all here. It's an easy commute to the Las Vegas Strip, only about 20 to 25-minute drive. So today we're going to tour a very special home. This home has a next gen and it's huge, 3,815 square feet. And this is a new community here. So I can't wait for us to tour this together. The builder is offering thousands of incentives. So please comment down below if you'd like to know more about it. Okay guys, let's do this. Let's tour this home together. All right guys, this is the home. 3-car garage with a next gen. A home within a home. And this is the model Everest. This is a huge house, 3,815 square feet. Look at this driveway, guys. Right? Really nice driveway here. And then you go on this side. Ooh, I'm seeing a really nice double doors there. This is Everest. Knock, knock. All right. Wow. Upon opening the door, guys, you can literally feel. See, door open. The smart system said, and you'll be able to get that smart system as well. Upon opening, you see this massive opening. On the right side is your stairs. This is your dining here. Wow, look at this opening, guys. I'm seeing a beautiful kitchen there, so let's take a look. This is your kitchen, guys. Very white. They used again this quartz, and as the builder mentioned to me, what they normally upgrade are the flooring and also the backsplash. So everything is included. This is the view from your kitchen. Look at the kitchen, guys. The island has that sparkle. The countertops has that sparkle. This is the view from the side of the kitchen, and you still have this dining area. There are two dining areas, or maybe this is called the breakfast nook. I just hope there was a door here, somewhere here, so that you can access the backyard from your breakfast nook. But look at this, guys. There is a table here, and there's another table there. So lots of dining situation here. And you have this massive glass doors. Really nice. I'm gonna go in this corner, guys, so you can see how it looks like if you are at the very corner of this living room area. All right, before we go to the backyard, let's go to your, I think we haven't opened this. This might be your, yes, it's a pretty good size. Pantry area, right? All right. Are you guys ready? Let's take a look at the upper floor. This is a very open space, guys. But before that, I'm seeing something here, guys. Look at this. I believe this is your next gen, right? I'm seeing a kitchen here. Currently, they have staged this as if you have a meeting room, but definitely this is your next gen. Look at your mini kitchen here, guys. Refrigerator, microwave is available. Again, you can't put a built-in stove here because it will serve as a multi-family, and it's a different permitting based on zoning. But this is the opening of your next gen, right? So that's the front, and this is the gate to the door to the garage. And this is how it looks like, guys, when you enter from the side of the house. This is your next gen, and then you go on this side and boom, you have your next gen. And that is the door to the main area. All right, let's take a look at what's happening on this side. Wow, look at this. You have, of course, your ensuite bathroom. Hi, guys. Right? And this one is your office right now, but definitely because this is a next gen and it has a closet, you can definitely use this as your bedroom for your next gen. But right now, it's currently used as an office. Look at this really nice walk-in closet. Of course, you have that laundry area there so that whoever stays on this next gen will not be using the laundry on the main area anymore because you have your separate laundry area. All right, so basically this could be the living room of your next gen because this is where your kitchen is located for the next gen. All right, there is another door here, guys. I'm not gonna go away unless we open all doors. And this is another storage area where you can put your seasonal items such as Halloween costume and your Christmas decor. Okay, so there's also, right before the next gen, there's this half bathroom which you can technically have for your guest use, right? This is for your guests. Half bathroom. All right, that is the door that we opened a while ago. There's so many doors here, guys. I apologize, but I needed to open them. This is the garage, right? And you get all the green car chargers there in the future. This might be a coat closet, a pretty good size coat closet, right? Really nice. Okay, so now we're finally going up because there are so many doors here, guys. I want to make sure I opened everything. All right, let's see what's happening on the second floor. This is a pretty wide stairs. Ooh, look at your loft area. That's a huge clock right there. This is your loft area, very spacious. Really nice area for TV, for example, before going to bed, or if you need to do certain homework for your kids, help them in your homework. I believe that's the owners, but before we go there, we're gonna check first the secondary bedroom. Ooh, I like this laundry area, guys, because it's not near the owner's bedroom. Really good size. And you can probably like put a sink here if you'd like. Ooh, look at this. This is an extra space here, guys. This is something that I haven't seen before, where you have a separate huge linen closet near or inside your laundry area. That's a lot of space there. Okay, we are on the first secondary bedroom. This is a big secondary bedroom. You can actually fit a king size bed here, no doubt. And then look at the view, guys. This is the view from your bedroom here, secondary bedroom. I like that they put a walk-in closet on a secondary bedroom. All right, let's take a look at what's happening on the other side of the home. Again, of course, it will have the shared bathroom here. Right? You get all of this, guys, except for the upgrade on the flooring. So cabinetry is included. Ooh, this is a pretty huge space here for your toilet area and your shower. Yeah, this is a pretty nice setup. Hi guys. Because you have that door there, very efficient. Someone can use the toilet and shower while the other can use the sink. Okay, so this is the next secondary bedroom. They have huge secondary bedroom here, guys, because as we all know, this house is huge, 3,815 square feet. So definitely if you have a secondary bedroom, they will be bigger than usual. And all of their secondary bedroom for some reason has a walk-in closet. This is nice. Okay. This is a huge house, so we have to, this is taking longer than usual. All right, let's take a look at your owner's bedroom. Look at your owner's bedroom, guys. Nice and wide, right? You can tell because this is huge. And look at the wallpaper that they've used here. And you have that huge balcony there. Yeah, this will make it even more interesting if you put hardwood floor or luxury vinyl plank. I just wanted to see if we can get to the balcony. Wow, this is a huge balcony, guys. You can definitely have a yoga party here of 20, no doubt. And this is your view, guys. This is a southwest area, and we're at the desert edge of Las Vegas. This is a huge balcony. Really nice. The only question that I have is if the builder can put a much better railing here so that it is open. And this is your master or owner's bedroom. Huge doors there. All right, let's take a look at your owner's bathroom. Look at this. This is huge and this is wide. This counter here is definitely wide. Again, you can upgrade this, guys, if you want the shower wall tiles. And this is your closet area. And then there's another door here, which is your towel area. Pretty spacious. All right, so what do you think, guys? Comment down below. What do you think of this massive bathroom area? It doesn't justify in the video, but this is definitely huge. Ooh, this is a wide walk-in closet here. Yeah, you can definitely put like custom cabinetry here with LED lighting. I'm gonna have you to spend some upgrades, guys, so that you will be able to live here comfortably with your cabinetry on your closet. Again, guys, this is your owner's bedroom. Very, very wide. Wow. And then that huge door there is literally very huge. You don't have to have lighting here in the morning or during the day. It covers, meaning the natural light comes in naturally. And this massive loft area here is appreciated. All right, guys, I think we've covered everything here on the second floor. Don't forget to subscribe down below, right? So that you won't miss any of my videos, right? Because in the future, we'll be covering a lot. There are thousands of homes and thousands of designs. So this will be endless videos here. Again, this is your living room and kitchen area. This is fit for a big family. I think we haven't looked at the backyard, so definitely we're gonna go there. Okay. See how the smart system is already warning you. This is a pretty small size backyard, but definitely you can buy a premium if you want, so that you can get a swimming pool size backyard. But appreciated that it has this balcony here. Yeah, this is definitely small, right? If you have a 3,800 square feet home, I believe that you should have a huge backyard. So that's your entrance from the side. And this is how it looks like, guys. So it's definitely small for the 3,815 square feet house. And this is your balcony upstairs from your owners, right? I just like that they have that sliding glass door there. And then if you want, I can show you the side also. This is the side. That's your AC. Double AC, one for first floor and one for second floor. And this is how it looks like after entering the house from your backyard. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to comment down below. What do you think of this home? And also, if you are new to the channel, check out my channel page. There's a lot of videos there that you can enjoy. And as I mentioned earlier, guys, the builder is already offering thousands of incentives. So if you wanted to know anything about that, please also comment down below. I really appreciate your subscription and your support to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Have an amazing day.